Investing in the stock market or shares can be a powerful way to grow your wealth, and when it comes to the Nigerian market, FCMB's new public offer gives you a chance to be part of their success story. In this video, I will break down everything you need to know about buying FCMB's shares, what it is, why it might be a good idea, and what to watch out for. Whether you have experience in investing or just about starting, this guide will help you make the right decision. Before we get into the details of the public offer, let's first talk about FCMB. FCMB, which stands for First City Monument Bank, started way back in 1977 as a stockbroking company called City Securities Limited. By 1982, it became First City Merchant Bank, and it was the first Nigerian bank to be set up without government help. Over the years, FCMB has grown a lot, turning into a universal bank and expanding through smart deals and public offers. Today, FCMB is a big name in the Nigerian banking sector, serving over 7 million customers with various financial services. Their growth and focus on innovation makes this public offer a great chance for those looking to invest. Now that we've covered the background of FCMB, let's dive into the details of their new public offer. FCMB Group PLC is offering 15.2 billion ordinary shares at 7 naira 30 kobo per share. This offer started on July 29, 2024 and will close on September 4, 2024. So there's limited time to get involved if you're watching this video. As stated in their prospectus, the purpose of this offer is to raise funds to strengthen the bank's capital, ensuring they meet the new requirements set by the Central Bank of Nigeria, and as stated by the CBN, all banks must meet the specified minimum capital requirement within 24 months. This timeline, which began on the 1st of April 2024, will conclude on the 31st of March 2026. To achieve this capital requirement, the CBN has outlined several strategies that banks can employ, including raising equity capital through private placement, right issues, and public offer subscriptions. So the capital raised from this offer will be invested by FCMB Group into FCMB Limited as common equity. FCMB Limited will then use this capital for general working purposes, such as paying down expensive funds to improve the bank's cost of funds and increase its net interest margin. Additionally, the capital will help boost the bank's capital adequacy ratio, giving it more flexibility to create additional risk assets and ultimately increase profitability. This funding is crucial for FCMB to achieve its strategic goals and continue its growth journey. If you are considering investing, the minimum purchase is 1,000 shares and payment must be made in full at the time of application. Now that you understand the basics of the FCMB public offer, let's talk about how you can participate. There are two main ways to buy FCMB shares in this offer, and that is online through the Nigerian Stock Exchange Invest Portal or by using a physical application form. So this is the first and easiest option, which is to just apply online through the Nigerian Stock Exchange Invest Portal. So here's how you can go about it. Visit the Nigerian Stock Exchange Invest Portal by going to invest.ngx group, sign up with your email or phone number and log in. Once logged in, choose FCMB Group PLC public offer from the list. From here, you can decide how many shares you want to buy and enter the number. After that, select your stockbroker from the list and confirm. Once you're done with that, you can make payment using your debit or credit card or bank transfer. After the payment has been done, you will receive a confirmation email or SMS. If you have any issues, you can reach out to publicoffers@ngxgroup.com for help. The second option is to apply using a physical form. Here's how you go about it. You can get the form from any of the issuing houses or agents listed in the prospectus or download it from FCMB's website. Carefully fill in your details, including your bank account number and BVN. Once you're done with that, attach a check, bank draft, or proof of payment to the form. If you are going to be using a check, make sure that that check is payable to the correct account. Submit the completed form and payment to any of the receiving agents by September 4th, 2024. Once your application is processed, you will receive confirmation and your shares will be credited to your account. Whichever option you choose, remember to double check all your details before submitting your application. Also make sure you keep a record of your payment and any confirmation messages you receive. This way you will be well on your way to becoming an FCMB shareholder. So let's talk about some of the benefits in participating in this public offer. And one of the biggest perks of this public offer is that you can buy FCMB shares at a discounted price. Right now, the shares are being offered at 7 naira 30 kobo per share. That's lower than what you would pay in the secondary market. So if you are looking to get more value for your money, this is a golden opportunity for you. Another benefit is the potential for growth. FCMB has been growing steadily over the years, and this offer is a part of their bigger plan to expand even more. They've got their eyes set on boosting their business across various sectors: banking, consumer finance, pensions, you just name it. And when a company grows, its stock price usually does too, which means more potential profits for you if you subscribe to this offer. Of course, another benefit is dividend payments. If you love getting dividends, FCMB is a solid choice. They've been paying out dividends regularly, and with the new capital they are raising, they are likely to keep those payments coming. It's definitely a great way to earn passive income while holding onto your shares. Another benefit is the strong track record. FCMB isn't new to the game. They've been around for over 40 years and have consistently delivered value to their shareholders. In fact, over the past 5 years, the return on their share price has been a whopping 295.2%. That's huge, and that shows that they know how to keep their investors happy. As good as investing in FCMB shares can be a good opportunity, it's important to be aware of the risk. Make sure you do your research, consult with a financial advisor if you are unsure, and think carefully about your financial goals before making any investment decisions. So I saw some questions that were frequently asked online, and I would like to provide answers to them. These answers will help clear any doubts that you might have also. So the first one is, how much does the share cost? Each FCMB shares in this public offer cost 7 naira 30 kobo. So if you want to buy 1,000 shares, you will need to pay 7,300 naira. Another question I see frequently asked is, what is the deadline to apply? The public offer started on July 29, 2024 and will close on September 4, 2024. So make sure you apply before September 4, 2024, which is the deadline. Another question is, can I buy the shares if I am not in Nigeria? Yes, you can, as long as you have access to the Nigerian Stock Exchange Invest Portal. You can buy shares from anywhere. Just make sure you have the necessary payment methods available. Another question is, will I receive dividends if I buy FCMB shares? And the answer is yes. As a shareholder, you are entitled to receive dividends when FCMB declares them. Dividends are your share of the company's profits paid out to shareholders. However, remember that dividends are only paid if the company has enough profits to distribute. Another question is, what happens if I buy the shares and the price goes down? Well, share prices can go up or down due to various factors. So if the price goes down after you buy, then the value of your shares are going to be less. It's important to remember that investing in shares carries some risk and prices can fluctuate. And the final question I have here is, how do I know if my application was successful? Once you apply and make your payment, you will receive a confirmation via email or SMS. This confirms that your application was successful. If you applied online, you can also check your status on the Nigerian Stock Exchange Invest Portal. So those are some of the most common questions about the FCMB public offer that I came across online. If you have any more questions, please feel free to drop them in the comments below, and I will do my best to answer them. Don't forget to do your research and make sure that this investment fits with your financial goals before you decide to buy shares. Investing in FCMB shares could be a great opportunity to grow your wealth, especially with their strong history and future plans. Whether you're new to investing or experienced, this could be your chance to be part of FCMB's success story. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.